Collecting moss from wild. Collected these moss stones because it's easy to immerse in the water. These are poggenatum, commonly called spike moss. The structure of poggenatum. The linear leaves narrow to a sharp tip, have toothed serrate margins, and become contorted to incurved when dry. Also, the habit of poggenatum is dense to loose, short, bluish-green terse, in which the stems are wine red, and attached at the base to the substratum by many rhizoids. Slowly and carefully collected these moss pieces without any damage. Removed all dirt and cleaned the moss pieces. I'm going to use these transparent containers for my experiment. I marked the date of experiment. Firstly, containers are filled with clean water. Then place the moss in the water. Moss pieces are lightweight, that's why it's difficult to immerse in the water. You can see air bubbles around the moss pieces. It's another reason to float the moss pieces. Also, water turned to unclear water because of mud particles. After some time, moss absorbs water and sinks to the bottom of the container. With the time, mud particles sinks in the bottom. Because of that, again water turned to clear water. After 5 months, update. Today is 30th of March 2024. You can see, these land moss survived underwater after 5 months. In here, you can see tiny growth parts, like threads. In this experiment, not used any nutrients, but changed half of the water once a week. These land moss showed slow growth rate underwater. Conclusion is, the land moss can grow underwater, but they showed slower growth rate in underwater than on land. Thank you.